Okay, this is my PetCube Bites Lite 2, and I've been having this issue. When I cleaned it, I unfortunately turned this manually. I could have just removed it. It's removable and then you clean it. And I did not do that. I didn't know. And I turned it and I forced something. And so since then, it would turn once, throw a couple of treats, then it would get stuck. And normally when it gets stuck, it just goes the other way around because it always does that. It goes one way and after a little while it goes the other way and the other way. So it didn't used to get stuck. And I couldn't understand why. And today I made it turn because you can just like remove all the kibble, remove this, and you can still make it turn. And when I put my finger and it got blocked, then it would stop alternating. But I kept hearing the motor alternate. I could hear it go one way and then the other. I was like, what the hell? So I need to thank iFixit, who did this on iFixit. Emile Blair, thank you so much. I was able to disassemble all of this and then learn that there's a wheel that goes here. But the engrenage, the sort of cog, the wheel that's on this shaft that turns when the motor turns, it's broken. Here it is in two pieces because like I was wondering why it wasn't working, so I turned it really bad and then it stopped working completely. So I think what happened was part of this, probably this piece fell and then this one stayed. So we had like partial rotation, but it would change, but sometimes would get stuck and then it would turn, but it wouldn't catch the wheel. I don't know. And today I just completely dislodged everything. Now, all I need is to be able to glue this to the shaft. Sorry. So I've been sanding this, trying to make it as clean as possible. I don't have super glue. I'm going to use something that's like a universal adhesive and see if it works. But if I can clean this, and there's oil on this, but if I can clean this really well, and I can stick it back. Oh, this is going to be hell. I'm not very good at this. But if I can stick it back up, because I was able to remove this, which is for this wheel, because I can't remove this, but I needed access. So like, if I can manage to put it back using two hands on this and glue it, then maybe I can reassemble everything. But I thought I'd do a video now. If you have this same issue, it's that little wheel. So when you clean, do not force turn this. Remove this, clean it. This is just plastic and the rest just blow on it so the little dust that's on the main thing isn't a problem. So. And I'm gonna get, my lighting is just really crap. I'm gonna get the other side and I'm gonna try to glue the other side. Yeah, a little bit better. So yeah, I'm going for this, putting it on there. This one is the little wheel that's glued to the shaft of the motor. So this is the shaft of the motor. It gets out here, we could see it. And this is glued onto it. And the issue that I had is this got unglued and just fell off in two pieces. And so I have now glued this back on. And I'm gonna wait for it to dry. And then reassemble everything tomorrow. And try to see if it works again. Let's see what it does. Oh, no! It was working, but now it's stuck. Ah, the wheel broke again. Okay. Okay, that's why I got into trouble. Yeah, we're not stopping. Okay, don't break, please, don't break. Just stop. Okay, thank you. Is the one I glued to the metal axle. And the center one is the one that keeps moving. Okay, so once the cover is back on, there's a little spot here where the pin that kept coming up won't be able to come up anymore because I've closed this. So I'm just gonna try and give it a go. Someone really loves hearing that motor turn. Okay, so the way I broke this is you shouldn't, once this is in, don't turn this. If you want to clean it, you just lift it. Because if you turn it, all the little gears are gonna become stressed and break. Okay, will it now fling, and will it do so well after 3-4 times? Let's try it. I might not feel the gas. You know, freaks. Excellent. Once again. Excellent again. I didn't get that anymore before I improved it. Repaired it, not improved. Tricks galore. And it sees that it's swung treats also. Oh, c'est mouillé. It looks like it's working. I can't believe it's finally working! Oh my god, so happy! Okay. The cats are happy too. Yay!